Hello everyone, a special thank you to Andreas and Sammamish, no I'm not saying that right, Washington. This is FL-41 glasses, I'm barely saying that right, and I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is C More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm having seen Mo Better look and Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Andreas's two pair of RayBans. He's got the ophthalmic Clubmaster that he sent us. It's the RayBan 5154 color 2053 eye size. And I have installed his FL-41 therapeutic migraine relief lenses tinted to about between 50 and 60%. That's the maximum protection for indoor and nighttime use. You can still drive with these at night. It is not too dark. It is a soothing color. The FL stands for fluorescent. When fluorescent lights started coming in and people were getting into office space and replacing the incandescent bulb, people were just getting migraines and having difficulty seeing, eye fatigue, other stress. So just like WD-40, it took them 41 tries. So I guess it's not like WD-40. It's like WD-41. It took them 41 tries to come up with the correct amount of testing to find a therapeutic relief lens. Now this other pair is his truly Clubmaster pair, the RayBan 3016 color W0366 in the 55 eye size, of which I took out the sunglass lenses and installed his DuraVision Chrome. Now he ordered two pair. I've got the DuraVision Blue Protect, but only one lens came in. I want to go ahead and get these shipped, and I've got this shape saved into my database, so when the other lens comes in I will cut it and ship those in one of these padded envelopes, and with the highlighted pack. Of course I have on there the right lens, the Axis 10, the left Axis 175, and you'll get that on the next pair. But the one thing I want to tell you, I do have, at this website, I do have my own collection of FL-41 eyeglasses that I'll be offering, as well as I'm still the only person that will put FL-41 lenses in a designer frame. I can do RayBan, Oakley, Polo, Versace, Silhouette, American Optical, whatever you need, and I can do it in your frames, which is what Andreas did. He sent me these when his prescription changed. These were the original lenses. Now everything fades with time, my hair included. My hair is not as dark as it was 20 years ago, but that's a whole nother issue. Scientists have studied it and they've determined it's the amount of candles on your birthday cake. Will be an indicator of when your hair starts to lighten. So I have curtains in my living room. Then on the northern side, they look brand new. On the southwestern side, they look like they're from a haunted house because the sun has bleached them out. So every time you clean the lens and in the sun, it does lighten. So I darken them back up to what they're supposed to be. And then that helps with that. So the FL-41 therapeutic tint reduces the frequency and intensity of migraines, both the painful kind as well as the balance, vestibular. I can never remember. I tell you what, whoever's watching this, leave it in the comment section below, the correct pronunciation of the migraines associated with balance, because I'm just not smart enough to know. I'm smart enough to make the glasses. I'm college educated when it comes to opticianry. The other thing I want to point out about our website, I am not just a machine operator, although most days it does feel that way. But I did go to college for this. I can put any prescription in. I can advise people when they send in the prescription, if you need single vision, the line style bifocal, progressives, we can do an anti-glare coating on here for single vision. They can add about a week. I would actually apply the migraine relief tint here and then send it to a lab that would apply the anti-glare on top. Or with progressive lenses, I use Zeiss, and they're getting better at putting the right amount on there, because once the anti-glare coating goes on there, it is like a force field and we can't add or subtract any of that. But that's only if you need that. All the frames that I sell, which there'll be more videos for, will come with frame and lenses for $149, the line style bifocal $199. It goes up in $50 increments. The Zeiss progressive lens for $249. You can buy any of my frames. You're certainly welcome to send me your frames. Again, this is what Andreas did. One for the FL-41 and one for his everyday DuraVision Chrome and DuraVision Blue Protect lenses and his RayBans. So you are welcome to send in your frame with a caveat, of which I'll explain later, or in the frequently asked questions of the website, which I've still got to get up, but I'm working on that. But if you have any questions, just leave a question or comment in the comment section below. I'll have a link to lenses only for your frames here as well for the FL-41. I'm trying to be a little bit more hands-on with the website, answering questions and with offerings. Jigsaw is my mentor and guide for that. He's going to help me. But if you have any questions, you can certainly call him at 919-491-2411. And he can guide you through the process. Ask for the VIP service. He will build a cart for you in real time, and you can check out using any credit card that you want. No prescription is too tough. You will get all the original things back from whatever frame you send. The original lenses that came in that frame, the original lenses that came in this frame. You're going to get all the documentation from Zeiss or whoever we end up ordering the lenses from. And of course 100% UV A and B protection. But yeah, everything like that. So I know I'm rambling on, and it's time for me to eat my vintage banana. My wife makes me take them into work when she can smell them across the kitchen. It smells like a banana air freshener. And I'm also trying to learn Spanish, whereas Jigsaw is fluent in it. But look this one up. It is Plantano Vintage. So, if anyone else has any old bananas sitting around the house, feel free to mail them to me. Make sure to wrap a $100 bill around the banana and write your name on the $100 bill so I know who to thank when I receive and open the package. But that's it. Again, thanks for watching. Andreas, thank you so much for all of your repeat purchases over the years. I'm seeing more better. Click on the link above to go to the website. And Andreas is going to be seeing more better. Now everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.